Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my new FABfitfun box. So if you would like to see what I have in my box, then just keep watching. So first I want to show you guys the sweater that I'm wearing because I know so many people are going to ask. I absolutely love it, like love it. It is like the cutest and like I love that it's like nice and tight here and it's just like adorable. Let me show you for the bottom. It's kind of like, I don't even know guys, it's just like the cutest. I just love it. And this is like the first time I wore a sweater this year. Like what? So let's just start opening this box. So the box looks like this so far. So I don't even have any space to put my stuff in it. I have so much crap. All right, so let's open this. Oh, yes, the first thing that I'm pulling out is the, what is it again? Is the GLAM Glow bubble sheet. These are so good. These like make my face just feel like I don't even know. I wanted to say butter, but it's definitely not butter. It just makes your face is so smooth and so like clean. These are absolutely amazing. I actually didn't have any more of these, so I'm actually super excited that I have these here. And it comes with 2 of them. Super exciting. I don't have one of those things that tell me what's in the box. Usually it has like the thing, you know what I'm saying? It has like that thing that tells you all the things that are in the box and you know what I'm saying? I don't have one of those. So next thing in the box, it looks like a sweater. Not a sweater. It's a for your neck. I can't think of what that's called. What is that called? Like a, what's that called? I feel like I haven't used this in a very long time. Oh, maybe, okay, maybe it's not. What are they? Maybe for your, it's for your like hands, to wash your hands, I'm assuming. I think that's what it's for, but there's 2 of them. That's cute. It's actually really cute. That's definitely for like washing your hands and stuff in the kitchen. This is really cute. I really wish I had that thing to tell me what's, or maybe this. No, both of these are not. Doesn't tell me what's in the box. This is making me mad. Anyways, I think these are for your hands, to wash your hands in the kitchen, stuff like this, because that's what it looks like. If it's not, then you know what, then I'm totally wrong. But I'm pretty sure that's what this is from and what it's for. It's not like it's like a towel, or it could be a towel, not like, you know, like a hand towel, not like your hair or so. You know what? You can use it whatever you'd like. You could use it for your head if you want to tie it. There's so many things. You could just flick it around. There's a lot of things you could do with this, but unfortunately I don't have the little thing that says what it is, so I just don't really know. I don't know why I'm talking like this. So next in the box is Pharmacy Do It All eye cream. Ooh, my sister would be very jealous because she loves eye cream stuff. Let's see if it smells good. I'm sure it will. Oh, it has nice packaging. I love packaging. Like, I wonder if it's gonna smell. I will let you guys know. It probably won't have a smell, actually. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh, got it. Wait, no, I didn't. Got it. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell. Or something's wrong with my nose and I just can't smell it. Yeah, nothing. I can't smell it. Put it on her arm. Feels good. Yep, still can't feel or smell anything, so. It must have a smell. It has a smell. Alright, next up, it is Cobra wireless earbuds. I don't think I said that right. Earbuds. Buds, not bugs. They're not bugs. Oh, you can charge them. Let's see how this works. Wait a second. What are they gonna listen to? Oh. Wait a second. Wait a second. Where does it go to? And then what am I listening to? Myself? Yeah, it sounds amazing. I'm so glad I have one of these. Oh, it's Bluetooth. That's why. It's Bluetooth. I just turned it on. Look at me. Oh, I hear it. Dinner was a real one, it got away. Time is gonna call you, babe. Last time, it's been the last time, it's been the last time, it's gonna call you, babe. Alright, next we have a blue in Capri shower gel. Gel douche. This is what it says. So it's the gel douche with the stuff that I don't know. I'll let you know if it smells good or not. I'll let you know when I open it. That's very potent. Very potent. It actually smells really good though. It smells like really, really clean. It smells, I actually really like it. It's like really, really potent. Oh yes! It has a beauty blender. Oh, not a beauty blender. They have a beauty blender in there. I have a billion of these, but I feel like you can't have enough. Like, there's no such thing as too many beauty blenders. So that's super exciting that was in the box. That's awesome. I love it. I love that. I love it. I love it. Next one, inside here, this is so I'm not even gonna try to read this and say this out loud right now because we all know it's probably not gonna work. This is a exfoliant for obviously your face. And I'm just gonna start opening everything, even if I don't like it. I'm still gonna, oh, it's like, it's coming out. Oh, it smells good though, but I'm gonna quickly try to hopefully, oh, it sucks right in, cool. I really wish these are telling me how much everything is. The stuff is always in the box, and for some reason this time it wasn't in there, and it's really pissing me off, I'm not gonna lie, because this actually is, like, I can tell that this is gonna be really nice. All right, next in the box we have Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. Crown Brush has pretty good brushes. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Ooh, that looks really good. Let's feel. Oh, it's pretty soft. It's not like the softest brushes I've seen, but it is actually pretty soft. So those are really nice. Cool, and I like that it comes with like a travel, like, little place to put it. That's really nice. All right, next is the Luna Risa cashew butter. I actually can't have any of cashew butter. I think I'm allergic to cashew. I'm not 100% sure, but like when I eat cashews, my stomach is just like, oh my god, I need to go to the bathroom and hurry up. So I'm not gonna try this, but I've heard a lot about Luna bars, so it's probably really good. Let's see how much protein is in here. Oh, it's only 3 grams. But yeah, that's usually what I need is protein. I usually don't have enough protein. But yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about this guy. All right, and the last thing in the box looks like this. This is the all-free stainless steel teapot. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my Jesus. Oh my god. Oh, is this not the, I'm so sorry, you guys are gonna be like, can you please shut up? But this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm not even like being like this because I'm filming. I'm doing it because I would do this in real life. If I like got this, I'd be like, oh my god, this is so It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And I actually really like how like it's like super flat here. I don't know why I like that, but I really do. Oh my god. And it has like a little thingy in there so you can put your tea stuff in there so it doesn't like get in your mouth and stuff like that, if that makes sense. Oh my god. Best thing ever. Best thing ever. Alright guys, so that was everything in the box. So I hope you guys like this video. Like I usually say, FABfitfun is an amazing box. I highly, highly recommend FABfitfun for you guys. I was actually pretty shocked that there wasn't like a necklace or something this time, because usually there's always like a necklace or something in here. But there was a lot of really good things in here this month or this season. So I do have a coupon code for FABfitfun, so I will put that down below for you guys. So definitely do not forget to subscribe for my channel. I love you guys so, so much. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.